Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we will do mixed small friends practice. Okay, these questions are combination of all the small friends we did. Okay, let us start. First, add 2, add 1, add 3. No beats for 3, so small friend formula for 3 plus 5 minus 2. Now, after 3 it's plus 2, then minus 5, then plus 2. No beats for plus 2, so formula for plus 2, plus 5 and minus 3. For the numbers that I am not saying anything and directly doing them, that means we have beats for those numbers. So no need to apply the formula, just do them and move on. Next, plus 4 plus 3. Do I have beats for plus 3? No. So my formula for plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 5 plus 2. This is the part of the question, okay? Plus 4 now, formula for 4, no beats. Plus 5 minus 1 and then plus 1. My answer is 9. Since we have already done this, so we have to be faster in this. Next question. Plus 9 minus 5 plus 2. Do I have beats for plus 2? No. So my formula for plus 2 is plus 5 and minus 3. Plus 2 we have done. Now plus 3 is there in the question. So we plus 3, then minus 5, then again plus 3. No beats for plus 3. So formula for plus 3, plus 5 and minus 2. My answer is 7. Next. Plus 1, plus 2, again 2. No beats for 2. So formula of 2 plus 5 minus 3. And then again 2 in the question. Then minus 5 and then plus 2. My answer is 4. Easy. Last one. 2, again 2, plus 1. No beats for plus 1. So formula for plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Then there is minus 1 in the question. So formula for minus 1, minus 5 plus 4. And then there is plus 2, then again plus 2. Formula for plus 2, plus 5 minus 3. And then again plus 2. Because plus 2 is there in the question, that's why. Answer is 8. Okay. I hope it was easy and clear. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.